I, Norbert Mao, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
This is the fourth attempt by patriots to unite the people of Uganda politically. The Mao is different from Beatrice Akero. Akero is the youth league of NRM coming up, the young people coming up. Mao, it is my old efforts, our old efforts of uniting Uganda so that Uganda becomes stable and sustainably strong. So you can say the NRM attempt has 2/3 succeeded to keep the Ugandans together. But then you know, I hear a rumor that some of you are Christians. It's not confirmed, but there's that rumor. You know that Jesus, with the one who had 99 sheep, said, I must go and look for the other one also. They told him, but why do you care about that one? You have 99. I need the other one also. So in this case, my people who left are not one. They are almost 30%, 40% who left. So it has been my job now to bring them back with the idea of going back to what we didn't manage to get, or to maintain the one of UNC, our people being together. So I'm very glad that some of the people have come back.
Hi, Akelo Beatrice Hakori, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.